Today let me show you how to wiring this keystone jack. This is our Cat6 keystone jack. I will use these tools to wiring lines. Use this wire stripping knife to peel off the outer jacket of about 20 mm. Be careful not to cut the core wire. And trim off the crossweb filler. This is a wiring tool label with wire sequence 568A and 568B. Put the wire into the fixed wiring seat. Insert the wire into the slot according to the sticker on the tool. Align and insert the markings on the module with those on the tool. Put into the tool. Then press it. Remove the excess lines. Clip in dust cover. Finished.